Here are 5 apps that will actually make your life easier as a student. They're free, effective, and designed to help you study smarter, not harder. Let's begin. Number 1. Notion. This is a really effective note-taking app. Whether it's lecture notes, project planning, or organizing deadlines, Notion keeps everything in one place. It's free to use and fully customizable, so you can set it up exactly how you want it. Secondly, we have Forest. Struggling to focus? Forest helps you stay off your phone and on task. Plant a virtual tree, and if you don't get distracted, it grows. Over time, you can even plant real trees. It's free on Android, a few dollars on iOS, but totally worth it. By the way, if you want more tips like this, subscribe to my free newsletter for weekly advice to make student life easier. Link is in the description below. Number 3. Grammarly. This app is a lifesaver for essays and emails. It checks your grammar, spelling, and tone to make sure you sound polished and professional. The basic version is free, and it's all you need to get started. Number 4. Quizlet. Whether you're revising for exams or learning new topics, Quizlet makes studying easy with flashcards, quizzes, and games. Create your own or use pre-made sets. The free version has everything you need. Finally, Microsoft To Do. Managing deadlines can be overwhelming, but this app helps you plan your day with easy-to-use to-do lists and reminders. It's free and syncs across all your devices. Simple, but effective. That's it. 5 apps to make student life easier. Which one will you try first? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more student tips, and see you next time.